Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new Instagram Super Zoom. So Super Zoom been around for a while, but now they has just added a lot of more options to it. Before it was only 4, but now they are 10. I wanted to show you how to use each and every single in this video. It's really for the first time here, so without any further delay, let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Instagram application over here. And now in order to use the camera, swipe left. So here you can see the Instagram filters. You have to swipe right all the way to the very end to use this browse effects option. So now tap on it. Here you can see an option browse effects. Tap on it and you can see an option of search. So tap on it and search for super zoom. So Instagram will show all the effects of super zoom. You want to select any of them. So select one. So then the filter will be applied to you. In order to take a picture or a video, simply tap on the screen and now you will be able to use that filter. So that's it for this tutorial video. If you have any questions about this whole process, let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.